Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today let me show you how to update your personal information on Upstart in 2025. If you've changed your address or your phone number or any other personal detail at any point in time after opening your Upstart account, then it's important to update your information on Upstart to avoid disruptions in communications or loan processing. So I'm going to show you how to update your personal information on Upstart. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Upstart account. So visit Upstart's website, that's www.upstart.com, and log into your dashboard. So once you're logged in with your credentials and you're signed in, you're just going to click on your profile or account settings to get to the account settings, and you're going to look for an option to edit personal details. And you can edit your address, it could be phone number or email, whatever it is. Go ahead and select that, and then update and save your information. So enter the correct details and click save changes, and then Upstart may require verification, so check your email for a confirmation link. They're just trying to make sure that it's really you, and someone else is not trying to change your details. So just contact support for major changes. So if you need to update extremely sensitive information like your social security number or your bank details, then you're going to need to contact Upstart's customer support directly. So they may ask for additional documents to verify your identity before making changes. Like I said, those are sensitive information, and they may require you to really verify that it's you before they go ahead and make those changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.